Hello, my name is Carlos Ferreras, and I'll be your particular chef today with a menu of healthy food for a healthy body. And we'll start the meal with a breakfast. We will do pancakes. So the ingredients are right here: 4 strawberries, the mixture for the pancakes, the syrup, milk, 2 eggs, and butter. First, we'll take the mixture and we'll add it to this bowl. Then we'll crack these eggs and put it in the mixture. Yeah. Next, we'll start mixing the eggs and the mixture up. We'll also add some milk in a second. 1 cup of milk. While we're stirring it up. We add another bit of milk.
The milk is getting absorbed by the mixture.
Now we'll add some butter. And we stir it up again.
Keep stirring it up.
And that's enough. Now that we have the mixture, we'll add it to the frying pan. 1 spoon at a time. We add 2 spoons to 1, so that it has the correct size. We'll wait until the pancakes bubbles disappear so that we can turn it around. So now we're going to turn it around. You have to make sure to believe. Now we have one side done. Now we'll still wait until this one's done before putting the other one. Now we're taking it up. See the results? We did the first one. Now we'll do the second one.
And as we did before, we'll put another spoon on top of that one. Now we wait.
Now Now we turn it around. Now we switch over.
Right now doing the third one.
We'll increase the temperature so that it gets ready faster. And now we wait again. Now we turn it to the other side. Now that we have our 3 pancakes, it's time to decorate them. First, we'll add the syrup. And for the last part, we'll add the strawberries. And that will be the recipe for the pancakes. Now, you may ask yourself, what does this has to do with our brain health? How is this breakfast truly healthy? Well, the eggs from the mix of the pancakes contain protein that has been linked by various studies that the lack of protein can cause ADHD, depression, anxiety, and a certain type of autism. The eggs also contain zinc. If you don't consume enough zinc, it can cause neurophysical performance in children and cognitive function in the elderly. The syrup contains copper and helps the performance in the nervous system, and the lack of this one can cause vision loss. The strawberries contain folic acid, which helps with blood cells. The lack of folic acid can create abnormally large red blood cells, which can cause anemia and tiredness. And for our next recipe, we'll make a burrito. Now, as I'm going with the first recipe, the meat contains protein, as mentioned before. The lack of them can cause anxiety, ADHD, and depression, so it's very important in this meal. The tortillas got macronutrients, and the lack of them could mean loss of muscle and fat, which leads to a lower metabolism. The tomato cells and the tomatoes have neurotransmitters. They are important for boosting and balancing signals in the brain and for keeping the brain functioning. The lack of them lead to not receiving signals for when you're going to sleep, eat, or when you have to flight or fight. The cheese maintains glucose levels, which I mentioned again. The lack of them may reduce the ability to do basic things such as learn, think, and remember. The lettuce has antioxidants which protect the cells from the free radicals, which may play a role in heart disease, cancer, and many other diseases. So it's important that you consume enough antioxidants. So now let's start making the recipe. We'll put the tortillas in the pan and let's increase a little bit the fire. Now let's assemble our burrito. First we get the meat. Next, we'll put the lettuce and the tomatoes.
Assembling them slowly. We don't have to use all of them, so it's just so that it looks aesthetic. So, we'll fix it in a second.
Next, we'll put the cheese. And last, this is an extra touch. You don't have to do so, but you can put ketchup and other types of sauces that you want. And now we have to roll it over. Now we put a little clip over so that it doesn't roll. And here we have it, our burrito.